Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the idea generator in Magic Student. So when I first open the room, I am going to get this screen. It's important you know that your teacher can see your activity in Magic School so they can see anything you're doing. Okay, we're not going to be using this for math today, but when we do interact with AI, it does take practice. So you might not get what you want on the first try, and it's okay to keep trying. Okay, AI is a tool that's not a replacement for your brain. So you want to make sure that you're doing the thinking and that AI is not the final version. Okay, also sometimes AI can be biased. They might have an opinion, and so it may not always be correct. So you want to make sure that the information that you're getting from the AI is correct. Okay? And then also make sure you don't include any personal details like your name or your address. Okay, so I'm going to click Acknowledge. And the first thing I want to do is use the idea generator for my procedural writing. So I'm going to click on that one. Okay, and so it just greets me and says, hello, I'm excited to help you come up with some fun ideas for procedural writing. If you can't read all of this, that's okay. You can click on this button and it will read it out loud to you. Okay, so what it basically wants to know is what are your favorite hobbies or activities? What do you really like to do? Do you like to play games, make crafts, help in the kitchen? So what is it that you are interested in or really like? And so in this box, I am going to put things that I like. And so I can say I like to do gymnastics. And I like to cook with my dad. Okay, now if you're not a great typer, that's okay. You can click on this button and you can just say it and it will pick up your recording of what you say, and then you'll click the send message button. Okay, so it gave me some ideas. I don't have to go with these ideas. I can put something else in this message if I want to, or I can read through these ideas and decide what I would like to write about. So some ideas is how to do a forward roll, how to make my favorite recipe with my dad, or how to get ready for gymnastics class. So if I don't like any of those, I can put in a message, but I think I am going to kind of do this one, but I'm going to move a little bit differently. I'm going to say how to do a cartwheel. Okay, so at this point, I am done with using this AI tool because it helped me decide on what I want to write about for my procedural writing.